Hello, welcome to JH Cooking. Today we are making baked Parmesan Tilapia. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Coat your fillets in milk and set them aside. For the mix, you will need 1/4 a cup of cornmeal, 1/4 a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, mix the ingredients together well. Next, you will need 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, minced. Next, use a little olive oil to lightly grease your pan. Remove your fillet from the milk and heavily coat your fillet with your dry mix. Sprinkle a little extra on top. Now, place your pan into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add a dollop of the garlic butter we made on top and bake for another 10 minutes or until golden brown. Once golden brown, carefully remove your fillet and serve on a bed of rice, salt and pepper, garnish with lemon slices and Thai basil, and top with another dollop of our garlic and herb butter. And now your baked Parmesan Tilapia is ready to be served or eaten. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.